We can go ride in the combine?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go! Oh, sweet girls. Where are we going, Clara?
Daddy.
We're gonna go find Daddy. Elena, say Daddy. Say Daddy. Or not. Just look really cute.
No. No, Daddy.
We're saying yes, Daddy. We're gonna go find Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, let's go. Where are we at?
At the barn.
What's Daddy in?
In the combine.
Are we gonna go for a ride?
Yeah.
Did Mommy bring good
Look at
toys?
this.
Good job, sweetie.
Dad, look it.
You driving, Clara?
He's driving your using.
You're driving my steering wheel? Oh, you're so cute. Give Daddy a hug.
No, Mommy.
Oh, give Daddy a hug.
No, I didn't have Mommy hug.
I love you too, sweet girl. You too, baby.
There's Uncle Andrew. Yeah, there's Uncle Andrew.
He went to go jump the truck. You gotta look for Daisy. Say, where's Daisy?
Where's Daisy? Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff,
Lena,
ruff.
you say, where's Daisy?
Daisy, where are you?
Okay, so unexpected turn. We were out at the field, and when we left, our dog went missing. We don't know where she went. It's not like this has been the first time she's ever been to the field, so we assume she just went to the next field. Drove around calling for her, she would not come, so I said, we live in a small town, it's a Sunday night, we were out of milk. So I said, I have to get to that grocery store before we are without milk, because tomorrow's Labor Day, so I don't even know if it's open tomorrow, so clearly we had to get there. Fed the girls, we got some barbecues made for Dad, we'll drop that off in the field. Hopefully we can find our dog this time. So, back to the field. Right, Claire, we gotta find our puppy.
Yeah,
Where'd Daisy go?
at the field.
Well, she's at the field, but she was missing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know where she went. So, take two, we will find our puppy. Update. Apparently I'm super loud. Alex walked the distance of the field next to where we're combining, thinking that's where Daisy would have went into. Apparently I'm super loud because he said you can definitely hear me yelling and echoing all the way across the field. So we're hoping that means Daisy isn't in the field and she's somewhere else, because if she heard me, she should have came running if she's okay. So let's go for a drive. Can we find Daisy, dog? Oh, Daisy. Okay, so update. I never recorded it because it was just a lot going on. Daisy here. So we think she must have taken off after some sort of animal because she was not in the field next to us. Daisy, are you trying to get a close-up in the camera? She was not in the field. So she had to have taken off after some animal and completely bypassed that field and ran through it because we could not find her. We actually went home that night and Alex came home after dark, literally cried that night because my dog was not home with us and I thought she was gone. Like gone, like dead. So we get a text when we wake up the next morning from our brother-in-law, who he lives on the family farm. Our house is separate. Daisy ran, she made it 4.5 miles to the farm, which she's very used to going to the farm. She knows that place. But just the fact that she made it the 4.5 miles to the farm, and she showed up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. She didn't even go to the house. She went to the shop, and my brother-in-law said he heard her barking in the shop. So he went out, got her, brought her in the house, and he said she just passed out the second she got in the house. So Daisy's been home with me all week because she has been grounded. So I'm very happy that she made it back home and all is good, but that was scary because that's the only time she's ever really ran away or anything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was not a video I was expecting to make. So hit the subscribe button down below and let's see what happens in the next video.